Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. We are going to continue practicing reading. Open your book on page number 47, reading lesson 2. Okay, do your best. Write about it. Writing skills. Look at the pictures. Okay, describe them by completing the sentences. Okay. You can use the words from the word bank if you need to. Word bank: spread, looks, waits, sits, talks, open, fold, house, roof, ground, floor, wings, meat, and white. Okay, you see the pictures are in order. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, sentence number 1. The dog is on the roof. Okay, number 2. The cat looks at the dog. Okay, number 3. The dog spreads her white wings. Okay, number 4. The cat waits for the dog to fly away. Okay, if you have any question, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, we are going to play, learn, and grow together. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.